Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy O. It's been a while since I posted a video online, actually. So, I didn't get to do the red Buscemis. So this video is actually about the blue suede, the Buscemis. I'm actually about to unbox that, but I didn't get to do a video on the red ones. I've been so busy, So actually, I thought about it, So I figured, like, since I'm gonna do the unboxing of the blue joints, why not just show the red off, and then we could talk about the red in the same exercise and just get it all over with. All right, so without further ado, let's just jump right straight into it and do the unboxing of the Buscemis. Okay, so what you may not know is that I've never done an unboxing video before. I usually unbox the shoes myself and then I actually see what it looks like. So this is the first time I'm actually doing an unboxing on my YouTube channel or whatever. So, I hope this goes good. Let me be careful with the knife, because anyway, if I hurt myself, I'll probably just edit that out or whatever. Oh, this box is different. And one of the reasons for that too, this is the first release pair, not the first release pair, but the first release edition of the Buscemis. If you'll notice, like, this doesn't have the Buscemi on the lock. The first release pair, you can tell this actually was different, so they were actually made, the first release edition, I keep saying the first release pair, these are actually not the first pair. That's all right. We're just gonna focus on the, oh wow. That's what I'm talking about. Got the Buscemi, let y'all see that. You got the Buscemi right there, engraved in the bag, the cloth material. Oh wow. I'm going through this too fast, man, but oh wow. Oh, the suede. I'm already shocked. I ain't even finished taking this out yet, and I'm already shocked already. Wow. Oh man. Look at that. Let me put this down real quick. God, they fit good, but the toe box area was a little bit, I had to let it, work its way out, or work its way in, I should say. Pause. And okay, we got extra laces here. That's what we got here. Extra laces. Got some, I don't know, some type of cleaning cloth material. And let you see that by Buscemi. Okay, some type of authentic paperwork. I don't know, for some reason I decided to go with the suede. It's my birthday coming up in another month or so, so I wanted to go with the suede Buscemis. I love John Buscemi's shoes, man. Like, just sitting down and listening to it, let you guys get a closer look at them, and I do actually do the close-ups. But yeah, I wanted to go with something different. Instead of leather, I wanted to go with suede. I don't know why. I just felt suede, Why suede? Why? Was a pair released about 2 years ago, I would say, because it's been on the website for a while. So I guess what happened is that they're getting rid of all their old stock. They actually redesigning their shoe, and they come with a whole new edition in styles. But I still like the old Buscemi look. Even though these new ones that they're making, well, not new as like for right now, because they're new ones that are actually coming out. The heel is a bit thicker than these right here. If you notice, these heels are a lot thinner. I kind of like the thinner heel, or whatever, But these heels are actually thicker, and I liked how the heel looked when it was a lot more thinner. Anyway, from the first released edition, Buscemi had changed the locks. You see, the locks were not engraved at that point, but now they are. And the thing too about it is that silver. It was strictly gold-plated stuff that he was doing, but now he's actually doing silver. You know what I mean? He wasn't doing that before, and he's also doing rose gold. I was gonna get me some green ones. You can check out the website. They had them in rose gold. Some green ones, some light green, but it was in rose gold, and I wasn't really feeling the rose gold. I mean, I do like rose gold, but I'm not really feeling that right now. I prefer to just go with gold plated. My joints are a little bit scratched up here. These ain't, But you can tell right away I went a size bigger, and you can tell right away that this toe box, I can tell, like, I ain't gonna have no problems at all with this. My main thing, it'll be the suede, I have to make sure I maintain my suede and keep, take care of that. I love the leather laces. One thing I love about designer shoes are leather laces. They come with leather laces, and they always come with 2 pairs. I hardly ever wear my shoes out that much, so as far as designer. So I never really used the second or the third pair. In this case, Buscemi gave me 2 extra pairs. See that? Get your money's worth, man. 2 extra pairs. You'll know the Buscemi by the key that unlocks. Now that's how you know if a Buscemi is authentic or fake. That's what they say. You know, key up in there. Cause my other pair, I'm gonna just push the key up in there and I'm gonna turn. See? Now there you go. You know, there you go. See, it's unlocked. You can unlock your Buscemi. You can put the locks here. Me, I like to wear my lock in the back. I really don't like wearing my lock in the front. It was never my thing to wear my lock like that. You know what I mean? But one thing I like about the newer types that they're making now too, the lock is not so loose. It doesn't flap around. What I hate about the red joints is that sometimes it's on the side or sometimes it's on that side. You know me, I like my shit to hang. No, man, I kind of love these more. I don't really wear them out like that. I might have wore these maybe like 4 or 5 times. I'm not even certain. You know, I wore them a little bit, you know, like just to, I wanted to like get the leather a little bit loose because the toe box was a little bit too, you know, tight or whatever. So yeah, this key is a lot different from the original key. The original key when they first released looked more like, the tip of it was more like a, god damn, this shit either don't move. It was a lot more like this. I don't know if you can see that. So they kind of changed that to make it more like of a house key type of design. You know, a real Buscemi though from the fake. If the key don't unlock that shit, just know you got bought, man. You got finessed, as they say these days. You know, finessed. Yeah. The shoe also today they more making it engraved in Buscemi, engraved, and before they was doing more of like a gold-plated logo kind of engraved type thing. They don't do that no more, you know. But I love the shoe, man. It's a great shoe, man. I think John Buscemi, you know, and another thing I want you guys to know, John Buscemi was actually sued by Nike. You know, he won the lawsuit. It was a big lawsuit. I think it was like 500 million or something like that. Because Nike was actually claiming that he was stealing their shoes. And I think one of the reasons for that is because he's an Italian designer from right here in New York. He's from Long Island. And, you know, Nike, I guess they probably didn't like the fact that it's somebody from at home, at base, that was actually selling shoes, you know what I mean? And John Buscemi, like, you know, I watched a lot of his interviews in the Breakfast Club and stuff like that. And he talked about, you know, he always been a big fan of shoes, you know, and stuff like that. He had all the Reeboks, the Reebok pumps, the LA Gears, and all those shoes, the British Knights, you know, so he was really a fan, you know. So I kind of like the fact that he has that type of origin because he's able to, like, you know, express how you feel about shoes as far as like designs and how the toe box should be, you know, constructed and the heels and so forth, you know what I mean? And what fashion is in and what fashion is out, you know, as far as trending is concerned, you know. So definitely, man. All right, so listen, man, I'm gonna wrap it up. I ain't got too much to talk about with these shoes. I'll let you see the red ones. You see what the red ones look like. I'll do a close-up footage, and then that's it, man. I'll wrap it up, man, because like I said, I'm busy these days, you know. So I'm sorry if I wasn't able to post a lot of videos lately. I got some stuff with some cologne that I want to put out there. I just ain't got the time to do it. So I'm going to try my best and see what I can do and try to fit everything in. But for now, man, that's it, man. Check my page out on Instagram, like Water for Chocolate. That's like_Water for Chocolate. You know, I'll be doing my thing on there. So check it out, all right? That's it for now, man. I'm gone.